Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to start a very important and a very fantastic topic in calculus part, that is differentiability. So my request you have to listen the video from the beginning to end and with pressing the subscription bell icon. So now I'll start the differentiability. So definition, what is differentiability? तो ये function, it must be real function f and c is a points on its domain, then the function is differentiable at x is equal to c whenever if limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c exist. So what is? So a function that must be real well function and c be the point on its domain, then it is said to be differentiable at x is equal to c whenever if we limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c exists. That means in case of differentiability, the left hand derivative LHD is equal to right hand derivative RHD. So what is left hand derivative? LHD. So I consider here limit has tends to 0, then it will be, what will the point c, this place will be c minus h minus f of c by x plus c minus h minus c cancel, it will be limit hash tends to 0 f of c minus h f of x by minus h. So in case of RHD, what will be? RHD, that function was limit x tends to what was c plus, we will consider f of x minus f of c by x minus c. So we will consider h be any positive integer and h tends to 0. What will be? That is f of c plus h minus f of c by c plus h minus h. So c, then c cancel, it will be limit hash tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h. So if LHD equal to RHD, then it is differentiable at that point. So now to explain it, I'll take an example. So that is the example. So that f of x equal to mod x is not differentiable at x equal to, that is 0. How can prove it? So I consider LHD value, LHD, that is limit x tends to c minus f of x minus f of c by x minus c, that is the formula. So in this case c is equal to 0, it will be limit x tends to 0 negative f of x minus f of 0 and x minus 0. For this situation, this will be the formula. Then LHD value what will be? We will consider hash tends to 0, it will be f of x plus what will be? This plus we can write also limit x tends to 0 minus modulus x minus f of 0. But f of 0, if we put here f of 0 is equal to 0 modulus, that is equal to also 0, that is equal to by x. So in this case, when hash tends to 0, it will be 0 minus h by 0 minus h, that is limit hash tends to 0 minus h modulus, it will be plus h by minus h is equal to minus 1. Similarly, RHD you can find it. What is RHD? So in this case, limit x tends to c plus f of x minus f of c by x minus c. This will be formula. For this cases, limit x tends to 0 plus, then it will be f of x plus modulus x. It will be f of 0 by x minus 0. That will be, if you take a limit h tends to 0, it will be 0 plus h minus f of 0 value 0, and it will be 0 plus h. Then limit h tends to 0, h by h, that is equal to 1. So LHD value minus 1, RHD value 1. So LHD not equal to RHD, so it is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. So now consider the exercise problem, exercise 5.2, page number 166, the question number 9. Prove that f of x equal to mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So you have to prove that it is not differentiable. So similar process we have to adapt. In case of LHD, what will be? Limit x tends to, the point is 1 negative, we can write here f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. So f of x value we can put here x, that is equal to modulus x minus 1 minus f of 1 value 1 minus 1, what will be? 0 by, it will be x minus 1. So if we put here h, limit h tends to 0, it will be, what will be? X plus 0, sorry, 1 minus h, 1 is the point, 1 minus h minus 0 by 1 minus h minus 1. So it will cancel out, it will be, what will be? Then limit h tends to 0, it will be modulus 1 minus h by minus h. So what will be? It will be, we'll put here. Now consider the exercise 5.2, page number 166, question number 9. So prove that the function f of x is equal to x minus 1 modulus is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So similar, just like before example, it is also basing this that the f of x is equal to mod x minus 1 modulus. So you have to prove that it is also not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So what is the LHD value? For LHD it will be limit x tends to at which point? 1. So that is equal to 1 minus, we will write here. So f of x value right here, f of x, then f of 1 by x minus 1. So in case of this function, f of x value modulus x minus 1 minus f of 1 value 1 minus 1, it will be 0 by x minus 1. So if we put here limit h tends to 0, then it will be 1 minus h minus 1 by 1 minus h minus 1. 1 cancel, this cancels, 1 cancel, it will be limit h tends to 0 minus h modulus, it will be plus h by minus h, that is equal to minus 1. Similarly, RHD person, it will be limit x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. So in case of this function, it will be x minus 1 modulus f of 1 value also 0, then by x minus 1. We will put here h tends to 0, then it will be 1 plus h minus 1 by 1 plus h minus 1, 1 cancel, it will be limit h tends to 0, modulus of h is equal to h by h is equal to 1. So in this case also LHD value not equal to RHD value, so it is not differentiable at x is equal to. Now we consider a reference question so that the function f of x for x minus 1 if x less than 2 and 2x minus 3 if x greater than equal to 2 is not differentiable at x equal to 2. So clearly when x less than 2, that means this function valid for the LHD, and x greater than equal to 2, that this function for valid for the RHD. So we have to find that whether LHD equal to RHD or not. So you have to find now LHD, that is limit x tends to 2 minus the function will be, so formula right, then it will be here f of c, the c what is 2, f of 2, then it will be x minus 2, then put the function here x2 minus, it will be x minus 1 minus f of 2 value what will be 2 minus 1, that is equal to, it will be 1 by x minus 2, that is equal to, when it will put here limit, you can rewrite also x tends to 2 minus x minus 2 by x minus 2, then it will be value what will be 1, that is equal to, when RHD case we will consider here limit x tends to 2 plus this function will be, then value f of x minus f of 2 by x minus 2. So in this case limit x tends to 2 plus function will be 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, so f of 2 value what will be 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by what will be, it will be x minus 2. So for this case the limit x tends to 2 plus it will be 2x minus 4 by x minus 2. So if we will take here 2 common, limit x tends to 2, it will 2 x minus 2, then x minus 2, this value will be 2. So LHD is equal to, here LHD not equal to RHD, so it is not differentiable at x is equal to. So now students, I will take another example. It is a very important example. If a function f of x is equal to x square when x less than equal to c, and ax plus b when x greater than c is differentiable at c, then find the value of a and b. So in this case this function that is at c, we consider that a LHD function x square and RHD function x greater than c, that is equal to ax plus b. So it is differentiable, given it is differentiable. We have to not prove here whether it is differentiability or not, but it is differentiable. So here is question now, if it is differentiable, then find the value of a and b, that are unknown term a and b we have to find. So how can we find it? So before going to explain it, one remember the very important things. A function whenever it differentiable, it must be continuous. What is a function whenever differentiable? It must be continuous. So this relation you have to find where it is given differentiable, so it is continuous, because this value is necessary to find out the value unknown term a and b. So at first we have to test the test of continuity, that is LHL value what will be in this case, that is equal to limit x tends to c x square, that is equal to what will be c square. RHL value what will be limit x tends to c, it will be function ax plus b, then it will be sc plus b. So functional value also c square. So in this from relation this is continuous. So LHL is equal to RHL and functional value also equal. So from this relation we can find that is LHL is equal to RHL and functional value also c square. So it will be what will be? So c square is equal to ac plus b, that is equation 1. And later it will be very necessary. So next LSD, for that differentiability you have to test LSD and RSD. So LSD function what will be? So LSD it will be limit x tends to c negative, then as usual procedure f of x minus f of c by x minus c. In this case limit x tends to c, what will be f of that is equal to x square function minus f of c, c value will be c square by it will be x minus c. So it will be that is limit x tends to c whenever x minus c into x plus c by x minus c. So x minus c cancel out, it will be limit x tends to c, this value will be x minus c cancel, it will be x plus c. So put the value of x, that is c, so c plus c, that is equal to 2c. So similarly RSD what will be? RSD value it will be limit x tends to c plus it will be the function f of x minus f of c by x minus c. So f of x value ax plus b, it will be ax plus b minus f of c value what will be ac plus b by what will x minus c. Then bb cancel, x tends to c plus bb cancel, it will be ax minus ac by x minus c. So if we take common limit x tends to c, what will be? If we take common a, x minus c cancel out, result will be a. So LSD it is called differentiable. LSD is equal to RSD also. So there is a relation from LSD and RSD. A is equal to what will be 2c. So there is a relation. First relation equation 1, c square is equal to ac plus b. In this case a is equal to 2c. So from 1 and 2, in place of a here we have to prove value that is 2c. So what is equation 1? It will be c square is equal to a, that is equal to 2c into c plus b, that is equal to what will be c square is equal to 2c square plus b. So b is equal to what will be minus c square. So b value what happened? The minus c square. Okay, b is equal to minus c square. So now we'll get here a is equal to 2c and b is equal to minus c square. That is the answer. Now I'll discuss about the various formulae of the derivatives. Before that, how can define the derivatives? Suppose last I discussed the formula of the definition of the derivative, that is f of x is equal to what is limit x tends to c, then f of x minus f of c by x minus c. So at c it is differentiable, so the derivative can be defined f dash c f dash x is equal to what will be limit x tends to c f of x minus f dash f of c by x minus c. Another case, when suppose function of it is y, suppose y is equal to something, y is equal to suppose sin x etc., the function of x, then we can find that derivative, it will be dy by dx. Why? That is y function, that is function of x, then we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy by dx. Suppose it is given y is equal to sin theta, then we have to find dy by d theta, what value. Then suppose it is function of t, so y is equal to a t square plus 5 here. So it is function of t, variable term t. In this case we have to find the dy by dt. Okay. Now formula, first formula, the derivative of the dy dx of any constant. The y is variable term here, constant, that is equal to, no, there is no variable, that is constant term. Constant term derivative is equal to 0. For example, derivative of 5, it is constant, so 0. Derivative of a, it is constant, 0. Derivative of k, that is, it is constant, 0. Why? That is variable terms with respect to, we have to find x, but there is constant term, not function of x, so it is, the derivative is 0. So next, most important formula of derivative, x to the power n, that is n into x to the power n minus 1. For example, if you write here derivative of x to the power 5, it will be 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1, that is equal to 5x to the power 4. For example, derivative of x to the power 20, what will be 20 into x to the power 20 minus 1, that is equal to 19. You can say easily derivative of x to the power 100, what will be? It will be 100 into x to the power 99. Similarly, suppose derivative of x to the power 3 by 2, what will be? It will be 3 by 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2 x to the power, that is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So 3, some multiple formula of this formula, that is suppose derivative of what is x, what will be? That is derivative of x, no power, that power is 1, so 1 into x to the 1 minus 1, it will be, what will be? X to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So always you have to prove, put here derivative of x is 1. So next, derivative of root x, very important, very useful formula. This is root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. How? It will be root x is equal to, I can write x to the power half, then you can easily find it, half into x to the power half minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 root x it will be. So similarly, some multiple formula, derivative of what is 1 by x. 1 by x we can write here x to the power minus 1, then easily you can find that 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Now formula number 3, derivative of e to the power x, last number e, so same e to the power x. 4, derivative of a to the power x, it will be a to the power x log a, then 5, derivative of log x, that is equal to 1 by x. Whenever derivative of log x with base a, in this case that is 1 by x log a with base e. Similar, formula number 7, that is trigonometric formula. You have to take derivative of sin x, it will be cos x. And the derivative of cos x, it will be minus sin x. 9, derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. 10, derivative of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x. Next, derivative of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Then derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. So these are the very helpful formula for the first exercise of the derivative. Then I will proceed for the next formula and next exercise.